Hi folks, this is Solly Joe coming to you live from the WoodUbend workshop. As part of our refurb here in the workshop, we are doing up this massive wall. So I'm now going to sand this down with sandy hands. Have you seen these fabulous things, guys? Just look at that.
They can't see that.
That is a piece of sandpaper, and it goes on your hand like that in a glove. It's got Velcro on it, and all you do isn't that great? I'm loving these. It's so easy. So I'm just smoothing out the dixie mud now. So I've got most of the rubbish off now, and I'm just going to get a paintbrush and just wipe away. So today, guys, we're using La Magic paint. It's our lovely Italian distributor of the WoodUbend mouldings. Really chalky paint, and we're going to be doing some blending and layering here. So I'm going to start off, I'm not priming the surface, I'm not priming the wall. I'm going to start off with London Fume, which obviously means London smoke.
Smoked.
Huh?
Smoked.
Smoked. Oh, is it?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know that. We're going to be using the Posh chalk stencil.
We're going to be using this one, guys.
What's it called? That's the Posh trellis.
Posh trellis, yes. It's going to go in the middle there.
So this is just a backdrop for my stencil. I'm really starting to mix it up now. Yeah, so the idea is that after we've done the stenciling, of course, we put that in the middle. What do you think to that? Yeah. So I've not put glue on here. I've not put glue on my stencil. Because I didn't want that residue to stay on the surface. So, in fact here, what I am going to do, I've just decided, don't put those colours away, bring the colours over here, and I'm going to dip in with the paste afterwards, so that I don't make, because I don't want it precise, you know, I don't want it looking too new. This is supposed to look like a vintage wall, so are we ready for the reveal? Right. I'm just going to have a peek first because I don't really know what I've done here.
Wait, I'll come and help you with
that. There you go. Take a fucking crump. Crap on my leg. You okay there? Sorry, I've got cramp, guys. I've got cramp here. Oh, so
look at your dog.
Huh?
Oh my god.
Oh my god. So, do I want to leave it like this? No, I don't. So I'm going to try a bit of smudging. And because I've got the white under there, it's giving me an effect. Don't really like that effect. Nah. So I'm going to come in with a palette knife now and see if I can just...
Watch out.
Huh?
Watch out, it has a leftover of the mud.
Leftover?
Your knife thingy.
It'll just add to the texture, Artemis. It'll just add to the texture. Right, so I'm just going to... Are we liking it, guys? It's getting a little bit tatty and distressed and old looking. And of course, when this is dried... Oh, look at the grey there. I really like that. And when this is dried, I'm going to come back in and I'm going to do a whitewash on it. What I want to do is get rid of this really prominent... I think I'm going to bring some more grey in. Oh, I'm going to do some testing anyway. Let's do a little bit. So, just getting some of the grey paint on my spatula, and I'm just going to come in and see if I can darken down some of these. Right, so I've now come back in with my Delise. Let's see what this looks like. Now you may say to me, if I'm doing all this on top, did I really need to blend the substrate? I don't know. Just going with it. You're not liking this, are you, Artemis? Right, how's that looking now? I'm just going to have a look again from Eddie Stones. And I think once I sand it, because I will lightly sand over this, I think it'll bring some really nice patterns out. Right, on to the WoodUbend mouldings. So I'm just going to chop it there, so we've made our own little design today. I'll just do this really, really fast, using my London Fume here. I'm coming in with the Rococo Island Magic paint, and if this doesn't look good, I can always...
Oh, that looks good.
I was going to say I can always paint over it, but yeah, that does look rather good. And again, I will whitewash it. And it's more shiny in some places than others because the paint is wet, and I've done that purposely. Kind of, when you mix wet paint with metallic paint, it does dull the metallic down a bit and gives a bit of variation. There's the halo. Oh, I like that. Like the combo. Loving the colour combo.
Oh yeah.
And I'm not going to completely dry this off because I want the same effect. I want it really metallic in some places and a little bit duller in others. we're not going to stick it on now, guys. I'm just going to pop it there so you can see. Right, my lovelies, thank you ever so much for joining me. I've really enjoyed it today. Love you loads, and I will see you very soon.